Hi, this is Brian Shepard with the closing print. We're a couple minutes after the cash close here. The imbalance meter, due to probably low activity on both sides, buyers and sellers, it was pretty much mixed. No consequence, really. Today's action, we opened up, as we all know, on the stronger jobs report. Non-farm payrolls coming in 195K. That led to, shortly thereafter, within the following half hour, the market started to bleed lower. Concerns of tapering started running across the chatter lines. Over the next half hour, going into the first hour of the day, the S&Ps bled down to the low of the day, 1608 half, and at that time, they caught a little bit of a bid. They bounced up to the low teens and held in there, and people really started cutting out, shortly thereafter. So the volume's holiday volume at best. Again, tapering concerns, from the last couple of weeks to going forward, we're going to hear about a lot. As we've been, we'll continue to hear a lot about that. The dollar was up strongly, the bonds were sharply lower, and the VIX, surprisingly, was at new recent lows, almost testing 1,500 near the end of the day here, which is odd because the market now we're making new lows into the close here. We just traded on the cash close a new high of 1625 area, and currently the high of the day is 1625.80 made minutes ago. Again, what that's signaling to us is obviously people are taking risk over the weekend with all the geopolitical concerns. That's a little bit surprising. So we'll see what happens. Monday we have very little consumer number late in the day. It's a C kind of level of data, so nothing to look at there. But we do kick off earnings season with Alcoa after the close on Monday. It's a very firm close for what's going on out there, I guess. A strong trend line came in the daily S&P chart at 1630 area, and we're going to keep our eye on that level. Stops I would believe would really start in earnest above 1633 on the upside. On the downside, we're just with today's action earlier, it probably took out any kind of near-term sell stops. So the real risk to run the market again look above 1633 area. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you next week.